Hey besties, what's happening, y'all? So guess what we're at? Video 16, you guys. So of course we are coming to you with another hair review. Okay, this hair that I'm wearing, y'all, is so pretty. It is a 26 purple ombre, long and wavy synthetic lace. You see it's a T-part if you continue to watch in the video. Also, they have other colors far as natural black and ombre blonde. Ooh, I think that's gonna be pretty. Might be next. So, y'all, I had no trouble with this hair. It's checks, length check, 26-inch ladies. So, I think this wig is so pretty, y'all. Just like for a birthday moment, or you know, if you're just feeling like a splash of color for a day, this is good, y'all. The price is $29. The curls and the pattern of this wavy wig is so soft, y'all. It's soft. I got a couple of tangles, which is expected. A little shedding, not much, but as expected. Ladies, this is a synthetic wig, and you can expect it to last forever, and you can't expect the unexpected. No, but I'm just saying, y'all, it's a pretty wig. It's beautiful for a moment, especially if you just feeling like, ooh, y'all, I've never had purple, and I think this still turned out so cute. So, I mean, it was very worth that $29. So that's what I feel on this, y'all. Check me out. Y'all can purchase this wig. I'll leave all the descriptions in below. I'll leave y'all, did I just say that? I will leave the information in the description box below. So make sure you check that, y'all. So I loved it. I love the colors in it. I was so surprisingly like, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this purple. But I didn't want to do a natural T-part, so that's where I tried to do the little ponytails in the top. So you will see that going on in the video. And look, I felt like Cardi B's in the house. No, Cardi B or Nicki Minaj. Which one was we going for? You know, that's which one were we going for? No, but yeah, I enjoyed this unit. If it's something that you like, you know, look at that. Yeah, I liked it. If somebody get one, y'all please come back to these comments. Let me know how you liked it. What color did you get? Y'all send me some pictures on my Instagram, you know. So, and y'all make sure y'all go follow and check out my Instagram as well. Thank you. Enjoy the video.
If the men find out we can shapeshift, they're going to tell the church.